Hi, Hidden Oaks families. This is Mrs. Bottemiller. I teach English 8 and English 7th Advanced, and the purpose of this video is to just give you a little bit more information about what your child will be doing in English class this year. So in English 8, we are doing this year a reading and writing workshop. So students have lots of time for reading, lots of time for writing, working on those skills. And then to do some of the other skills like reading and writing strategies, grammar, and vocab work, we'll be using the program IXL. So students will be working all kinds of their English kind of muscles using these two tools. If your child is in 7th Advanced, the course is structured a little bit differently. We do literature study, so we have lots of short stories that we read. We read a novel, and then, of course, much to the kids' chagrin, we are still doing Word Masters, which is our vocab study. Either class, whether your child is an 8th grader or a 7th grader, my grading system is the same. We're on total points this year. So test point is the same as an assignment point. Typically, assessments are worth more points, however. Grades are updated on Wednesdays and Fridays, so students may turn in their work for the week until Friday. At that point, I'll go through and enter any grades for assignments that were submitted. Assignments that were not submitted by Friday will be marked in Infinite Campus as missing. The following Wednesday, I will go through again and see if there have been any additional assignments submitted. Any that have been submitted, I will just enter them into Infinite Campus. If the student didn't submit an assignment, at that point, the assignment will be marked as a 0 and too late for credit. Of course, we encourage kids to do the work when it's assigned to avoid being overloaded by work later in the week or even the next week. How would you find out about what assignments your child should be doing? Well, this is my Schoology page, and you can see on this page we have a weekly agenda and this week's materials. Every week I create a different folder. The weekly agenda, as you can see here, has each day of the week, and then if your student is an A-day student, a B-day student, or a DLA student, and then this is where they would find the work that's assigned each day of the week. Every day they should open this and see what work is listed for them. The second thing down in my Schoology page is the materials necessary to complete the work for the week. So as you can see in this picture, you can see that the assignments are listed. It tells them what day they should be doing them. Sometimes, they switch based on DLA or A or B day, because sometimes we do things in class a little bit differently. But as long as they're doing the things that are in this folder, making submissions when submissions are required. For example, this top thing that says Reader's Notebook, it's a submission because you get that little icon with the pencil on there. So that's what should be submitted for the week's work. How might your child access help if they're struggling with something or have questions? Well, if they're an in-class student, preferably they should be talking to me, asking their questions when we can look at their iPad and figure out what's going on or what I can do to help them. That is the first choice. If your child is a DLA kid or it's a day at home and your kid, just is really struggling with something and it can't wait till the next day, certainly jump on a Google Meet. I try to open it every hour so students can jump on if necessary. The third option is really messaging in Schoology. Of course, I'm teaching 5 hours a day, so I might not see the message until after school or even during my prep hour the next day. So it might not be as immediate as some students would like, but that's definitely a way to get me a message. I just ask that kids are polite and complete, give me the information that I need to help them in the email. You can imagine some of the emails that I get from students. So if your child is emailing, just encourage them to be complete and polite with their emails. If you have any questions yourself, you can always call the main office and leave a voicemail, or you can email me through my school email. Thank you for watching this video and have a great rest of your day.